Hello and welcome to English Sphere Podcast. In this lesson, you will shadow. That means repeat after me. Listen carefully and speak with me at the same time. This is how native speakers improve fluency. Let's begin your shadowing practice. Part 1. Daily greetings. Repeat each sentence after a short pause. Good morning. How are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. It's a beautiful day. Let's make it a productive one. See you later. Part 2. At the coffee shop. Hi there, can I get a cup of coffee, please? Sure. Would you like milk or sugar? Yes, a little milk, please. Here you go. Enjoy your coffee. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Part 3. Talking with a friend. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. How have you been? I've been busy, but everything's good. That's great to hear. Let's catch up soon. Sure, maybe this weekend? Sounds perfect. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's $20. Can I try it on? Of course, the fitting room is over there. It fits perfectly. I'll take it. Great choice. Part 5. Everyday expressions. I'm running late. Don't worry, take your time. It's okay, mistakes happen. I'm really happy for you. That's awesome. Let's do it together. See you tomorrow. Fluency tip. End message. Repeat this lesson every day. Speak with confidence and energy. The more you shadow, the more natural you sound. Practice daily, and soon you'll speak English like a native. Thanks for listening to English Sphere Podcast. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe and keep learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking English every day.